In this video, we're going to show you how to use the override key for the Knox MedVaults in the event that the vault is not able to open. The MedVault will not be able to open if there is a complete loss of power. In these circumstances, the only method to open the MedVault is to use the override key. To use the override key, insert the key, turn the key to the right, and then turn the knob to the left to open the MedVault. For additional assistance, contact technical support at 800-552-5669 or tech support at knoxbox.com. To learn more about Knox products, visit knoxbox.com.